Hello, I'm Xuan. Today I'm going to show you my EMAth assignment. Throughout the video, I will going to talk about how I did the questions. So let's get started. First of all, the values in the column y equals to x squared is represented by the blue curve right here. And the values in the column y equals to x squared plus bx plus c is represented by the orange curve right here. So when I change the values of input b and c, for example, I change b to 2 and change c to 8. Observe the change. Notice the change in the orange curve. Yeah, and the values in the column y equals to x squared plus bx plus c also changes. Moving on, in question 3, we are asked to display numeric discriminant and numeric solution to the equation x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So when you need to find numerical discriminant, you need to first know that in order to find it, you need to use the formula b squared minus 4ac. Sub the value of b and c into the formula and you'll find out the numerical discriminant. As for x1 and x2, you'll need to use the quadratic formula negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac everything over 2a. So for example, yeah, in this case, the answer for x1 is as such. The answer for x2 is as such. Yeah. For question 4, when I change the values of b and c inputs, the turning point of the graph y equals to x squared plus bx plus c will change. So this will cause the graph to shift accordingly. And after you sub in the value of b and c in the completed square form, I will get the new turning point. So for example, when I do 2, 4, the graph will be like that. This to 5, you change to like that. See how the turning point change. The turning point for this one is -1 and 4. For the previous one, it's -1 and 3. For question 5, when the discriminant is more than 0, there are 2 real solutions. When it is less than 0, there are 2 complex solutions. Lastly, when it is equals to 0, there is only 1 real solution. So, for example, I make E4 and C2. As you can see, the discriminant is more than 0. So x1 and x2, they are real solutions. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening.